Slider Revolution Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Slider Revolution, a powerful tool for creating stunning sliders and content displays on websites. Links to the product are in the description below for easy access. Slider Revolution is designed for both beginners and advanced users looking to enhance the visual appeal of their WordPress sites with dynamic content. It allows you to create eye-catching slideshows, carousels, and other types of interactive content with ease. One of the standout features of Slider Revolution is its drag-and-drop editor, which makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of coding experience. It comes with a vast library of pre-built templates, covering everything from simple image sliders to complex video and text animations. The editor is highly customizable, letting you adjust everything from timing and transitions to specific actions triggered by user interaction. Another notable feature is its responsive design, meaning your sliders will look great across all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. This is essential in today's mobile-first world, where user experience is critical. It also supports a variety of content types, including images, videos, and HTML, allowing for rich, engaging presentations. Slider Revolution is particularly beneficial for web designers, bloggers, and businesses looking to add visually appealing elements to their websites without relying on a developer. Whether you're showcasing a product, building a portfolio, or creating interactive call-to-action sections, this tool makes it easy to implement. In terms of performance, it's optimized for fast load times, which is crucial for SEO and user retention. Additionally, the plugin is regularly updated with new features and security patches, ensuring that you have access to the latest tools. Overall, Slider Revolution is an incredibly versatile tool for any website owner or designer. It's packed with features that enhance the user experience and elevate your site's design, all without requiring a deep technical background. If you're looking to create stunning sliders, I highly recommend giving Slider Revolution a try. Check the description for the link and get started today.